Hi, my name is Jasmine. I'm going to be showing you how to make an occupied bed. So, supplies we will need is a fresh set of linens. When we are gathering our supplies, we also want to make sure that the supplies we need to move the patient are in the room. So the most important one would be like a draw sheet, so we can pull the bed to the sides. You will most likely do this by yourself, but if you have help, it makes it a lot easier. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate. Okay, so I'm going to simulate that. So good morning, my name is Jasmine. I'm going to be your nurse today. I'm going to go ahead and make your bed. I'm going to leave you in the bed since you are currently immobile. So I'm going to pretend that this pillow is my patient. So I'm going to go ahead and begin by gathering my supplies. For this scenario, I'm just going to use my fresh sheet as this dark blue over here. I'm going to set it on the side. I'm going to go ahead and go to the other side, and with the sheet being this one, I'm going to go ahead and move my patient over to the edge of the bed. Make sure that the rail is up so they don't fall out of bed. Then I'm going to go ahead and see if the patient can move to their side. So if the patient can hold onto the rail while they're on their side, that makes it a lot easier. So, or if you have another patient, that's another person that's going to help you hold the patient up in this position. So I'm going to go ahead and pretend that the patient can lay in this position. I'm going to go back to the other side of the bed. I'm going to go ahead and move the old sheet. I'm just going to demonstrate with this one. I'm going to roll it on both sides and make sure that the bed is at waist position so you're not having to bend over. I'm going to continue to roll it. Then I'm going to place the patient back this way and then take off the dirty sheet. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and keep the patient back over here because we're going to place a new sheet. Okay, now with this new sheet, I'm going to go ahead and put it along. I'm going to put it as close to the patient so we can, if it's a fitted sheet, so we can put it on the other edge of the bed, as close to the patient as possible. And on this side, I'm going to go ahead and put the patient back down with the drawstring, and then I'm going to turn them over to this side with the draw sheets, not drawstring, and then pull the other edge of the sheet or the blanket to ensure that it's on correctly. So it's going to be really important that you make sure that there's no wrinkles in the sheets, especially if they're at a risk for poor skin integrity. You want to decrease the risk to get like shear friction, and then you don't want to put too much pressure if it's like wrinkled in an area for the patient.